Okay, oncolytic viruses can fight cancer. But what if we take a closer look at our manufacturing capabilities?
Hello, I am Benjamin Fazio, business developer here at Naobios, and I will explain you how we support biotech to manufacture their oncolytic viruses. Naobios is a French CDMO for process development and GMP manufacturing on viral products such as oncolytic viruses. Our goal is to support our customers to help their project go fast to clinics. But before that, follow me and let's dive into Naobios oncolytic virus bioproduction process. The oncolytic virus will need cells to replicate, and this is where our mission begins. You come with your research virus seed and research cell line, and we make it happen. During the process development step, we will be able to define critical parameters for the process, such as culture conditions and purification approach. To save time, we will be manufacturing starting materials in parallel of process development to have fully characterized GMP master cell bank and GMP master virus bank that will be necessary for process development and GMP manufacturing. During process development, we will work on USP and DSP to have the most robust and reproducible process. The scale-up phase will allow us to industrialize the process before going into GMP manufacturing. Now that we have our process, our master cell bank and our master virus bank, it is time to go into GMP manufacturing using one of our GMP grade A and B workshop. To give our partners the best quality for their GMP viral product, we rely on our state-of-the-art facilities, expertise, experience and proactive project management, offering end-to-end solutions from starting material manufacturing up to drug product filling, including GMP quality control testing. This will allow us to bring your project fast to clinics. So this is how we are produced. Now let's fight cancer.